I can't do that.
Rita!
No. Do it, Tony. Face your fear.
Completely insane.
I've got enough to deal with without your complaining.
Rita, please. Will you quit? Dad, let me out.
If it takes a day, a month, a year, you are staying here till you beat this.
No, Dad, no! No!
Come on, Tony! I thought you were ready. I thought this would help.
I know, I'm sorry, I am.
Is this what she did to you? Feed you through the bars? Hose you down? Do you want a reminder of what that felt like? Huh?
Stop it.
Hey!
Stop, this is not too much.
Think of Diane. Her look of shame when she saw you cowering and sobbing in the corner. Oh, come on, Tony, rise up. Show me what you're made of. Come on, Tony!
No, stop. No, stop, look at this. Look here. That's my family. That's what got me through it. And listen to that, listen. Drip, drip. Drip, drip. You know, for a long while, that sound drove me to the distraction, but then I realized it never stops. It never tires. Drip, 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 drip. Get home. Get home. Get home. I used to say that over and over in my head. I used it as a sign of hope. Yeah. I used to lay there, close my eyes, clutch this photo, and think of the kids, and think of getting back to them. Sat around the breakfast table, the laughter, the joy, the love. And I did it. I never cracked. I never gave up. And I got back to my family.
You were lucky.
No, she was a serial killer. Killing me would have solved all her problems, but she couldn't. She didn't, because I got inside her head, and I made her see that I was a good dad, because I am. I made her see that I deserved to live. All those people she killed, including poor Harry. I'm the only one that outlived them. No, she's dead, and she's gone. Yeah, I lay there for months, desperate for a second chance to live my life, and now I've got it. I win. I'm free. Thank you. Thank you for bringing me here. I can do it, Dad. I can save my marriage.
Wonderful. Simply wonderful.
Tony?
There she is. My beautiful, gorgeous wife.
Right, where have you been? What have you done to your hands?
That's nothing. A little case of avocado ham, but the point is I'm back. I'm me again.
Okay, slow down.
We went to the pig farm.
You did what?
It was Dad's idea.
Legitimate and tactical use of immersion therapy. I'm sorry, I should have called you.
I can already feel the benefits, that's the main thing. I've got a new perspective on life, on what I went through. I'm sorry for what I put you through. But the point is, that trembling mess of a man, he's on his way out, and good old Tony Hutchinson is coming back. Mwah. I'm gonna get myself cleaned up.
What? So you fixed them?
So it would seem.
Thanks. Do you know, last night I really thought our marriage was over. But maybe now I can finally draw a line under everything that's happened and move on.
That's what we all want.